You guys remember before we placed an order, we had 2,498 followers, and we currently have 2,498 followers. All right. So for us to actually confirm if these followers are already coming in, all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh. So how then do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we currently have 2,604 followers, which means that these followers are already coming in. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow Instagram page from scratch, and it's very easy. All you need to do is to come to this platform. I'm going to be showing you guys in this video called growbetter.net, right? All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. The link to the website is right here on the description, right? All you need to do is to tap on it to take you to the website. So the first thing we need to do is to create an account. If you want to create an account, come to this sign up right here. You can see right here, just tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, come to this username, create a username, come to this email, put your email, come to this password, put a password, and confirm your password right here. And the next thing you need to do is to come to this sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. But also, because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account and show you guys exactly how to use this platform, and it's very easy. So let's go. So guys, I've logged into my account, as you can see right here. If you want to boost your Instagram followers from scratch, all you need to do is to come to this category right here. Can you see right here? You need to tap on it and come right here and look for Instagram followers. You can see a lot of Instagram followers. But I like using this one, Instagram followers non-drop new premium. Just select it and come to this this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Just tap on the service and select preferable one. I like using the first one, so I select it. Then read the description. Description is actually what describes the service. It's important for you to read it in order to understand what you're doing, right? And this place, the root link is actually where you paste your profile link. So let me show you guys how to copy your profile link, just in case you don't know how to copy your profile link. So let's go. So when you come right here on your Instagram, right, if you want to copy your profile link, just come to this shape profile right here. Can you see the shape profile? Tap on it, and you can see this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link? Just tap on it, and your link is copied. And come right here and paste your link right here. And right here, the road quantity is where you put the amount of followers you want, right? So in this video, I'm going to be putting only 100, right? And the next you need to do is for you to actually click on this submit. But before I click on this submit, I want us to come back and confirm how many followers we had before. Remember, before we placed an order right here, we had 2,498 followers, right? And right here we are ordering 100 followers, which means we are expecting like 2,500 and something followers, right? So let's click on the submit right here to submit the order, and then boom, you can see right here our order have been received. Right here they say our order have been received, right? Our order have been received. So the next thing we need to do right now is for us to exercise patience, and these followers will start coming into this page. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is for you to actually come to this three line up here. Can you see the three line up here? Just tap on it and come to your left hand side right here. Can you see the left hand side? Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place. All you need to do is for you to come to this place, enter the amounts you want to pay, and click on this pay right here. Can you see this pay right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, Skoda Pay is going to ask you how would you like to pay. Would you like to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or bank? If you select debit card, you'll put your card details right here and click on this pay, and your payment is going to go through. And if you select bank transfer right here, make sure that you read the instruction right here. Can you see this instruction right here? Just read it and tell them I understand the instruction, and click on this continue right here, and boom, Skoda Pay is going to provide this account number. You can see right here on the screen. All you need to do is to make payment to the account number. You don't need to do anything. Automatically this payment is going to reflect to your growbetter wallet, right? Easy peasy, right? This is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to Instagram to actually confirm if these followers are already coming in. You guys remember before we placed an order, we had 2,498 followers, and we currently have 2,498 followers. All right. So for us to actually confirm if these followers are already coming in, all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh. So how then do we refresh? We need to draw this thing down right here, and boom, you can see we currently have 2,604 followers, which means that these followers are already coming in. So this is exactly how they are going to be coming in until they complete the amount that you ordered. So this is exactly how to boost your Instagram followers very fast. All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, right, and do exactly the same thing I did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.